Hello guys, do you know that there are 4 types of companies where you can work as software developer? And those types are defined by who and what is bringing money to the business. And today we're gonna talk about this. We're gonna talk about which type of company is mostly preferable for software developers. And I will place them in the order of least preferable to the most preferable. Disclaimer: if you are a junior developer with little experience or no experience at all, then the best type of company for you, the company which is ready to hire you. Yes, your first job will probably suck, but you will get experience, which is the best reward for you as junior developer. Now the company types, and the first one is classical outsourcer. Basically, outsourcing companies creates new or support existing IT products for other companies. You, as software developer, don't communicate with client directly. You simply get a project and work on it. Then you get another one and another one and another one. And probably most of them will suck. Why? Because usually this software was previously done by other outsourcers. And when you are working on the application, which can be anytime taken from your team, there is a big temptation to cut corners. By the way, you will face similar situation working as a freelancer, because usually you work with code base created by other freelancers. And probably outsourcer will be your first employer when you will switch to software development.
This is 1,000 monkeys working at 1,000 typewriters.
Harsh truth. Another type, the second one, is outstaffer or body shop. The main business of outstaffer, it's pretty much similar to outsourcer, but they like subletting you to the other company. So here you are directly communicating with client or even working as a part of their developers team. You can even go to their office like a real employee. I also worked with such guys from outstaffing companies. Generally, they are good developers. The problem with those guys is that they are leaving the project before they really start to deliver on current project. Because usually a person needs approximately from 3 months to half year to get yourself familiar with the code base and start to create really cool stuff with it. Outstaffers are usually taken to perform some boring and routine tasks. For example, refactoring of the old code base, some cleanup, improving the test coverage. Nobody will take an outstaffer to design and create really cool killer feature for the business, because they can be off anytime. And now what sucks the most with those 2 types of companies, I mean outsourcers and outstaffers. Their business is to sell you for more money to the client and to pay you less money, because the difference is their profit. In this case, basically you are the source of money, your time, not the product that you create. How it affects you? In simple words, they hire you as middle developer, but sell you to the client as senior developer. And it means that you are getting salary as middle developer, but the client expects you to perform like a senior. Yes, this is the situation. But let's move forward to the next types of companies. Non-product companies. These are the companies where IT not the main product. Basically, these are the companies which have IT department or have software development positions in their staff schedule. It can be anything: banks, building companies, car rental, cleaning services. Let's take the most obvious example: Amazon, online shop. Their main business is to sell stuff, and you as a software developer work as a support of their distribution system. Their online store in this case. Your work directly does not bring money to the business. Speaking in the accounting terms, you are liability, not an asset. And what happens with liabilities? Company tries to keep them as low as possible. What does it mean for you? Lower salaries, understaffing, meaning that making more work with less people. And all your ideas of improvements Or, for example, migrating to new advanced technology will be initially perceived as expenses. Actually, you can build good career in such companies, but if you want to fulfill yourself as IT superstar, this is the not best place for working. But definitely not the worst one. And the last one, product companies. Product companies theoretically the best place for working as a software developer. Because as you might understood, the product that you create directly brings money to the business. The classical example is any SaaS company, software as a service. And for this case, we can take Amazon Web Services, the biggest cloud provider. Working as a software developer in such company, you are creating a product, actually this cloud platform which people use and pay money to Amazon. You are creating an asset with all resulting benefits to you. And as you might already understood, product companies are the best for working as software developers. But this don't automatically means that all of them are good, because it also depends from the size of the company, its age, and what is more important, from your manager. But we will talk about this in my later videos. Thank you for watching to the end, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and watch one of the videos that you will see right now.